Welcome to the Oak Tree community. Hi, my name is Rosemary Then, your South Florida real estate agent. This beautiful community is located in Broward County in South Florida, 10 minutes from the downtown Las Olas Beach, where all the action is happening. Restaurant, shopping, art gallery, and so much more. This community is built by Pulte Homes, which they are known for their smart home from the ground up. One of the very few developers that offers 10-year limited structure warranty. There is so much to do in this community. To name a few, you have a 6,000 square foot amenities resort style pool with lap lane, fitness center, dog park, community room, and so much more. Sienna. This beautiful 2-story home offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,220 square foot, 2-car garage with open floor plan and office space, large outdoor living area with covered patio and beautiful bungalow area that you can put a dining room table there. This model price start at $747,990. A steel reinforced concrete block construction, Bora concrete roof tile, impact resisting windows and doors, 9-foot ceiling in both floors, porcelain tile and carpet in the bedrooms, 36-inch birch cabinet, Whirlpool stainless steel appliance, quartz countertop, no pet restriction. When it comes to energy saving, this builder went all out by installing many of the best brands on the market, like Lennox air conditioning heating system, Bradford white water heater, and every home is pre-wired for connectivity. Attention investor, this is a great opportunity to invest. This builder is allowing investors to buy and rent right away, no short-term lease. Contact me for information on incentive financing. For all the amenities that this community offers, Homeowners Association is affordable. I hope this information was valued to you and your home decision-making process. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos like this. I work with different builders, so if you are looking for something that is more customizable or a different price range, contact me for information. I am going to put my link and my information somewhere in this video and the description below. Thank you so much.